Professional cleaners know that better cleaning results are achieved by using professional-grade equipment. Large cleaning machines used by pros incorporate high heat, high pressure, and superior vacuum. Introducing the Versaclean Versatile Deep Cleaner, or VDC for short. All the power of big machines in a small and easy to transport package. So what makes the VDC different than other homeowner and do-it-yourself models? It's the powerful components inside. Cleaning solution is superheated as it passes through the built-in heat exchanger. The result is grease and grime cutting capabilities not found in most homeowner or rental machines. The pro-grade vacuum system incorporates a new and exclusive air intake that increases vacuum by at least 30% over most consumer steam cleaners. No matter what the spots are from, the portable and affordable VDC has the power you need. When coupled with the cleaning toolkit from Versaclean, you'll be capable of cleaning virtually any fabric or carpet in the home, office, shop, or at the dock. For more information on the Versatile Deep Cleaner, pro-grade tools, and undoes-it problem-solving solutions, visit cleanerlivingproducts.com.